Hi friends, welcome to Robot Plus channel. Today we are going to talk about Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It is a gas giant almost as big as Jupiter. It is the second biggest planet in the solar system, and with an equatorial diameter of about 1,20,500 kilometers. Saturn is thought to consist of a small core of rock and ice surrounded by an inner mantle of metallic hydrogen. Outside the inner mantle is an outer mantle of liquid hydrogen that merges into a gaseous atmosphere. Saturn's clouds form belts and zones similar to those on Jupiter, but obscured by overlaying haze, storms, and it is seen as red or white ovals occur in the clouds. Saturn has an extremely thin but wide system of rings that is less than 1 kilometer thick, but extends outwards to about 4,20,000 kilometers from the planet's surface. The main rings comprise thousands of narrow ringlets, each made of icy rock lumps that range in size of tiny particles to chunks several meters thick. So, the D, E, and G rings are very faint. The F ring is brighter, and the A, B, C rings are bright enough to be seen from the Earth with binoculars. If I am talking this, you will think that what is this A ring, B ring, C ring, D ring, and F ring? Now I will show this. Can you see here? Okay. So here is A ring, and here is B ring, and this is the C ring. This is D ring, the shortest ring in these rings, and F ring. It's the brightest ring among these rings. So you understood that. Let's go to information. In 2009, a huge dust ring was discovered 6 kilometers, 4 million miles. Means 4 million miles. 6 kilometers. So beyond the main system, Saturn has more than 60 known moons, some of which orbit inside the rings and are thought to exert a gravitational influence on the shapes of the rings. Unusually, 7 of the moons are co-orbitable. They share an orbit with another moon. Astronomers believe that such co-orbitable moons may have originated from a single satellite that broke up. So these are the moons of the Saturn. The first is Enceladus. Its diameter is 498 kilometers. Average distance from planet means Saturn 2,38,000 kilometers. Next, this is the moon, which is the second. Tethys, diameter 1,066 kilometers. Average distance from planet is 2,95,000 kilometers. And next moon is this, Dione. Diameter is 1,123 kilometers. Average distance from planet 3,77,000 kilometers. So next, this is the moon of Saturn, that is Mimas. I like this moon very much because it's the shortest moon on Saturn. So diameter is 397 kilometers. That's all. Average distance from planet is 1,86,000 kilometers. Yeah. So in next video we will talk about Uranus. Bye bye.